Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Thursday, November 11th, 2021. It is 3:56 and 29 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, gene mutation. So let's hop to it here. How gene mutation boosts cancer risk. Date, November 10, 2021. Source, University of Virginia Health System. The scientists have revealed why a mutation in the UTX gene disrupts cells' ability to suppress tumors. The gene product they found forms tiny droplets in cells that help prevent tumor formation. But the mutation throws a wrench in that important process, leaving affected people vulnerable. The new understanding of this vulnerability will help scientists and doctors as they seek better ways to battle and prevent cancer. How UTX inactivation causes human cancers remained elusive, as researchers did not know its key molecular activity that is critical for human suppression, posing a barrier to cancer therapies targeting UTX-related pathways. The researchers that work largely solved this mystery. Moreover, it suggests that disruption or alterations of these droplets can profoundly affect how our cells fight cancer. And forming proper droplets is likely to be the fundamental mechanism that maintains cellular health, and we are just beginning to understand. The researchers' work gives us a fascinating glimpse into an important way our bodies keep us safe from cancer. The UTX gene, they found, plays a vital role by directing the formation of condensates inside cells to prevent tumor formation. And these little droplets condense from material in cells, sort of like how water droplets condense on the outside of a cold glass. Once the droplets have formed, important biological processes can take place. The droplets are important, not just for suppressing tumors, but for directing embryonic stem cells, generalized cells that can turn into highly specialized cells. For example, a stem cell might turn into a nerve cell or become bone. For tumor suppression, the researchers found the droplets control the activity of chromatin, the genetic material contained in our chromosomes, and this ensures chromatin's optimal activity. The interaction they know ensures efficient and correct chromatin modifications and interactions to orchestrate a proper tumor-suppressive transcriptional program. Mutation of the UTX gene, however, robs cells of this important ability, putting people with the mutation at risk for cancer. The researchers conclude. Another interesting finding in this work is that UTY, the Y chromosome counterpart of UTX in men, forms condensates with more solid-like properties, making it less effective in suppressing cancer. This may contribute to the widely observed phenomenon that men are more likely to get cancer than women. Researchers are very interested in how the condensate properties of UTX are regulated in cells and how other proteins may control cancer through forming droplets. These studies will likely open up new approaches to cancer treatment by regulating these droplets. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.